Hi everybody, this is Tom and Maggie, and we thought we'd just give you an update on the first ever Boeing 747. They are making her look pretty again after her, of course, being in the weather and the elements. As you can see right here, they are finally getting to the right side of the plane, and we will move over to the left side and you will see how nice she is looking. But it's going to be nice and shiny new in probably a couple months. So as you can see, here's the left side of the plane, and she is looking very, very nice now. Hopefully it won't be too much longer, but it has a nice coat of paint on her.